Hi guys, welcome back to TechnoWeb Hack. This is Parikshit here once again, and in today's video we will look into the hacking of Linux machine. So here we have the Linux machine, which is the SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 10. So we can see it here in the more application. We have genome, about genome, and so we have here the Linux version is 2.12.2 and SUSE Linux. This is the SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 10, and we are going to hack into this machine by using our Kali Linux, which we have here right now with the Metasploit open at the other side. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to create a payload that we are going to send it to the victim machine, that is our Linux machine. We are going to execute it over there, and then we are going to start the handler, and let's see if we get a meter presentation with that. But in this case we are going to create the payload by using the EZSploit tool. So EZSploit tool is the freeware tool available on the GitHub. I will show you how you will download it, install it, and then how we will use that tool to hack into this Linux machine. Alright, so let's start this. Okay, first of all let's go and just type the EZSploit in the internet, and yeah, you have this GitHub first link over here. Just click on this and then it will take you to the GitHub where you will find the EZSploit tool. So you can simply just clone and download, so it will get downloaded in your system, and as I have already downloaded it, I will show you. So you can see it into the download folder. Here we have EZSploit master. You just have to extract it here by using extract here, and I have already extracted it here. You will find a file that exploit.sh. You just right click on it, go to properties, and then make sure that the checkbox for the permission to execute this file is allowed. Okay, so here you have to check this box and then close it. Okay, so you just have to run it by using, so let's go open the terminal over here, and then here just search for the file which is ezsploit.sh. just run this file now, ezsploit, okay, .sh. so it is starting the service. Now press enter to continue. Now we will create the payload by using this tool, which will be our Linux payload, which we are going to send into our SUSE Linux machine, which we have here. So to create a payload, you can choose the option as the number 1. Okay, enter, and as it is a Linux machine, so give the number 2. Okay, and then set the lhost. So lhost IP will be your localhost IP address, which you can find it by using ifconfig, and there it is 192.168.157.130. you just have to copy this. Okay, go back to the terminal, paste it over here, enter, and then give the L port as 4444, enter, and then it will start creating the payload for Linux. It will take a little bit of time here. Okay, as you can see, it has been created with the no platform selected. So by default it selected the platform to Linux from the payload, and architecture as selected as a x86. Okay, so payload size is given, total payload size, and it has been saved on the desktop in the temp folder as the name by the cell.elf. okay, so we will now go to the desktop. We have it here, a temp folder, yes, and then there is file shell.elf. so I will just copy it. I will put it into the shared folder which we are going to access from our SUSE Linux machine. So I'm just putting it over here. Okay, paste it here. Okay, so we have it here. Okay, the next thing here, we are going to get that file from the shared folder into our SUSE Linux machine. So the file would be cell.elf. so this is it here. So we'll copy, we'll put it into the desktop, and before executing I will make sure that the handler is started. So there are two ways where you can start the handler in here. So you can just quit and you can start the EZSploit once again, and there you will have an option which is listen. So it will start the multi-handler like this. So instead of that, we can also open the Metasploit framework, and here you can use the multi-handler as well. And now we can start the handler by using the same tool, which is the easy tool. Here we have the option to start the handler or inside this tool. So we will run this tool once again. Okay, ezsploit.sh. Okay, you can see that the number 2 option which will start the multi-handler. Okay, so number 2, and then Linux, so which is number 2. Okay, and which L host would be 192.168.157.131, sorry, 130, and L port will be 4444. Okay, started the Metasploit handler which is running in the background. Okay, as you can see, it has started the handler. You can see that the payload has been set, the L host L port is set, and it started the handler with the -j. It means that it is running in the background. Okay, so let's see, we will execute the file here now. Okay, we executed that, and now we come back here. So sending stage, yeah, you can see that here. Now it should give us the interpreter prompt. Okay, so we cannot see that the session is started here, but we can check the number of sessions that we have available here by using session-l. Yeah, we have the session open, interpreter prompt is there. Yes, so we can connect that session by using sessions-i and number 1, which is the interaction with session 1. Yeah, we got the interpreter session now. So we can see that we have successfully compromised the Linux machine, which is SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 10. Okay, so you can see what are the things that you can do here. Okay, you got a lot of things to do here. Okay, so you can see what are the commands that you have, what you can perform, and okay, these many commands that we can perform, and we have already gone through this. So let's see the system info or the sys info. Okay, great. As you can see now, the computer is parikshit.suse and SUSE Linux 2.6 Enterprise Server 10. Okay, so as you can see, we have the complete takeover over this Linux machine. Alright guys, so this is the way that you can hack into any machine, even whether it is Linux or Windows, that doesn't matter for it. As you can see here, this is the server that we have, which is the Linux SUSE Linux Enterprise Server 10, and still we can hack that. So everything can be hacked. Alright guys, I hope you like this video, and in the next video I will show you how we can hack into the Android mobile or any Android operating system or any Apple iOS. Okay, so that we will see into our next tutorial. And if you have not subscribed my channel, so please subscribe it, so that the next videos that are going to come, you will not miss that. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. So this is all for it. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.